Alrighty, me and Scrap are just out wandering around the thick brush, just in search of cool things. Picture worthy. This is cool. This is cool. Oh, I knew he'd come up there. What are you doing? Oh, now he smells something. Alright, so we'll just try to make something out of this hike. We'll just get up on this road. Well, mostly a road. I think we're gonna go up. Where the hell did Scrappy go? Where did he go? Scrap! I hear him. Oh, we just came from there. Go up. I don't know what we're gonna find. I'd like to find some wildlife, take pictures of, but you know, with Scrappy Dog, that's gonna be a little difficult. He's kind of all over the map. Oh, look at all the pitch coming out of that. Why? Wonder if that's been shot at or something. Opened up the bark or something, let that out. I don't know, that's weird. God, I hate that. Boy, we're gonna have to check Scrappy Dog when we're done with this. This is perfect tick habitat. Big, long, green, wet grass. Oh boy. Speaking of, where'd he go? Oh, I hear him in there somewhere. What is he doing? Scrappy. What? It comes from that way. You having fun or something, Scrap? All right, we've been on the road for, we're probably half, 3/4 of a mile from my property. Scrappy's just going through the brush. Haven't seen anything, but I am gonna take this little draw here. Might be an old skidder trail, I'm not sure. Yeah, because most of the reason being is I haven't went there before. So let's go. All right, so I'm on somewhat of a game trail. Oh, Scrappy's probably smelling all kinds of cool things. I'm gonna side hill it. Wait a minute, now am I seeing water down here? What do we got going on down here? Ooh. That's a cool old stump. What do we got here? It is an old spring bed. Oh, wow. Scrappy's already down there. Look at that stuff. Is that not the spookiest thing you've ever seen? What? That must be snow mold or something? I don't know. Wow. That's fucking spooky. Whoa. It looks like spidey webs, but it's not. Okay. Let's see what's over that little knob. Why not, huh, Scrap? Alright, we'll poke over and see what's over here. This is gonna be a wild goose chase if I keep popping over knolls and chasing the dream. I'll end up getting fucking lost. And I don't want to go down too much. You all know why. Fucking mosquito got me again. Damn it. Boy, if I ever seen a place that is worthy of holding bear, it's this little draw. Wow. Oh, there's a structure way over there. Hey, Scrap, we'll keep going. So while I'm thinking about it, as calm and spooky as these woods are, leave down in the comments your most feared moments if you were hiking alone in the middle of nowhere. What scares you the most? Is it injuries? Is it wild animals? Is it weather? Let me know. I think it's a good question, because I ain't scared of nothing. Or is it simply the sound of banjos off in the distance? Actually, I think I see a road down there. I was just getting ready to turn around. I didn't know that road swept to the left or to the right like that. Yeah, hell with it. Let's go. Sure is. I think I've been here. And this tree is marked. Lost its ribbon. Cutting unit boundary. Another one up there. Look at that wasteland. God, I hate that. Pick up your shit. Well, either a lot of snow on the ground when they cut that, or it was bowed over. That's probably 11, 12 feet in the air. Oh, I think I know where I'm at. That road, when I took a right to go down that draw, this road just wraps around that hill. So if I would have kept going straight, it'd be this road. So this should take us right back where I turned off into that draw. Or I'm fucking lost. One of the two. Boy, it looks like rain in the distance, don't it? Oh, we may have to hunker down, build a shelter. Oh, that's a cool log, or actually that's a stump. How many years ago did that catch fire? Yeah, that was a big boy. Nice. As I suspected, this is the hillside that we were looking up as I turned off. And there's the draw right down there. So somewhere right in there, we turned off at the bottom. The pond is right there, and Scrappy is very interested. Sometimes there's ducks in there, and I know in the springtime moose will dive for those weeds underneath the water. He is on guard right now. I hear something over there, but I don't know what it is. So while I'm hiking, I'm always watching Scrappy. I've known him for a long time now. You have to learn to trust. And when he goes on guard, it's usually for a reason. But now I think he's picking up on my vibes, whispering and all that. All right, I'm over it. And also mind you that this little dog right there, I mean, not that little, he's a pretty big size healer. But, first time he was on this mountain, he was 5 months old. And then he'd been up here ever since, on and off. And now he turned 5, I think, this winter. Oh, there's nothing new to the mountain for him. Let him guide the way. And we made it. Good boy, Scrap.